of the Greeks and the Trojans began.
Red bandana, the Greeks!
And in this fight, the Greeks are the ones who are losing.
Retreat! Retreat!
Ended the battle, the Trojans had driven the Greeks back almost to their ship. There was rejoicing in Troy that night, but grief and despair in the...
Agamemnon, if you had not angered the Athenians, they would have been defeated. Try to find some way to appease him.
Nestor, I'm sorry. I acted like a fool. I will send British back with gifts, and I will take my offers to all it is.
The three chieftains, Odysseus, Agamemnon, and Nestor, went to Achilles' tent and found the hero with Patroclus.
Now, let's go to Achilles. Oh, welcome. Why are you here? Do you want some food? Maid? No. Came here, Achilles. No, I don't need rich gifts. Even the treasures of Egypt won't bribe me. I said no. Get out from here. Get out from here, now.
Trojans conquer, and she thought how to test him.
Palikod na tayo. Tayo na, palikod. Pero palikod.
Yes, God is
Zeus captivating him, and he fell into a deep sleep. At once, the battle turned in favor of the Greeks.
Retreat! Retreat!
Troy might have been slapped that very day if Zeus had not awakened and saw everything.
Wingspan!
Doing you cut the cloak face?
It's not my fault. It was all Poseidon.
Now I will tell it to Olympus, and I will tell Poseidon to return the battlefield.
God damn it!
Patroclus saw the rout
Look
with
again!
horror.
Where are you going? I'm going to Achilles. I will talk to him. Achilles! We lost again. What are you doing there? You're just kidding. God damn it! Give me your armor and I will lead the Greeks.
This time around, the war between the Trojans and the Greeks began.
You, Achilles. No, I am not. Don't talk.
Subdued!
Mag-away kayo. Yes ka na. Oh! So do you think you can beat us now? Don't talk, asshole. Tanggal naman. Now, I have the armor of Achilles. We won! So do you think you cannot bow?
Go! Hera appeared before Zeus, captivating him, and he fell into a deep sleep. At once, the battle turned in favor of the Greeks. Tahimik. Tignan mo siya.
Retreat! Retreat!
Troy might have been slack that very day if Troy might have been slack that very day. Troy might have been slack that very day if Zeus had not awakened and saw everything.
It's not my fault. It was all Poseidon.
I will send it to Olympus and I will tell Greek,
Oh!
Poseidon.